how to turn on or turn off customize My Files to get help clearing storage space on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, scroll down, then in here tap on General, Management. Then we scroll down to the bottom and tap on Customization Service. Now scroll down and tap on My Files. Tap on the toggle button to switch on or turn off My Files. Once you get this on, you can get help clearing space if your device starts running out of room while you are traveling. And that's it. After that, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.